Hello students, welcome to topperseducation.com. In this video, we are going to discuss NCERT Class 8 Chapter 2 Linear Equation in One Variable and some of the example problems before 2.4 exercise. And now let us see the examples. That is, first example, the digits of a two-digit number differ by 3. If the digits are interchanged and the resulting number is added to original number, we get 143. And what can be the original number? And now here, before solving this question, first let us see one example. That is, let us take one two-digit number, that is 56. This is the two-digit number. And now this 56 can be written as 5 into 10 plus 6, because here 6 is ones place and that is units place, and here 5 is tens place. That's why 5 into 10 plus 6 equals to 56. And now when we interchange this, we will get 65. And now it can be written as 6 into 10 plus 5. Here 5 is the unit place and 6 is the tens place. Now let us solve this question. That is, here the digits are two-digit number. Here we have two-digit number, that is, and the two numbers are differed by 3. Now let us assume two-digit number is x into x minus 3, because here x is the one digit and x minus 3 is the other digit, because they given that two digit number differ by 3, and x into x minus 3. Here x minus 3 is the units place and x is the tens place. It can be written as x into x minus 3 equals to x into 10 plus x minus 3. That implies the required number is 10x plus x minus 3. Now in the question they have given that if the digits are interchanged and the resulting number is added to the original number, then we will get 143. Now let us interchange this number, that is 10x plus x minus 3 equals to x minus 3 into 10 plus x, and this is the interchanged number. Now they given that when we add these two, the result will be 143. That is 10x plus x minus 3 and plus x minus 3 into 10 plus x equals to 143. Now let us add this. 10x plus x equals to 11x. And now x minus 3 plus x minus 3 into 10, that is 10x minus 3 into 10, 30. That equals to 143. Now 11x plus 10x, 21x plus x, 22x minus 3 minus 30, that is minus 33 equals to 143. Now let us find the x value, that is 22x equals to 143 plus 33, that equals to 176. 143 plus 33 is 176. Now x equals to 176 by 22. 2 11s, 2 8s, 16 8s, 11 ones, 11 8s, and x equals to 8 is the solution of the given number, and here x equals to 8. Now let us find the two-digit number, that is two-digit number is 10x plus x minus 3, that equals to 10 into 8 plus 8 minus 3, 80 plus 8 minus 3, 5, that equals to 85, and the required number is 85. When we interchange this, we will get 58, and both the sum is 85 plus 58 equals to 143. And this is about the first example. Now let us see the another example. Now let us see the second example, that is question: Arjun is twice as old as Shriya. 5 years ago his age was 3 times Shriya's age. Find their present ages. In this, now let us assume that here Shriya's age would be x, and let us assume Shriya present age is x years, and according to this Arjun is 2x, and they have given that 5 years ago. 5 years ago Shriya age is x minus 5 and Arjun age is 2x minus 5. They given that 5 years ago his age, that is Arjun age is 3 times the Shriya age. According to this, x minus 5 equals to 2x minus 5, here 3 times, because Arjun age is 3 times the Shriya age. Now 3x minus 3 into 5, 50 equals to 2x minus 5. 3x minus 2x equals to 15 minus 5. X equals to 10. Now let us find the present ages of both Shriya and Arjun. Shriya age is x, that equals to 10 years, and similarly Arjun age is 2x, that is 2 into 10, 20 years. And this is about the example problems. In the next video, we will discuss exercise 2.4 in chapter 2. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the channel notifications.